નમસ્કાર, હું આદર્શ છું. Adarsh Education Society welcomes you all here. Dear student friends, let's move ahead. On Sunday afternoons, grandmother sent her means that little girl, down to the drawing room to have a nice talk with father and mother. Right from the beginning, we are used to have talk with our parents so that we can be very near dear to them. What's correct, what's wrong, that mother and father will say us, will guide us, but for that we should have a nice talk with them. But this work grandmother did it. Actually she should go herself, the little girl. But here it's wrong. What she found over there, but the little girl always found what? Two ideas. Mother would be busy with the reading and father would be stretched out on sofa. His handkerchief on his face, his handkerchief would be on his face and he is stretched out on sofa. His feet would be on one best cushion, pillow, and he is sleeping soundly with snoring sound. આપણે રાતના સૂતી વખતે ઘણા લોકોને ટેવ હોય છે નસકોરા બોલાવવાની. That is given here, snoring sound. That is the condition what she was used to get from the mother and father whenever she moves there in the drawing room. You see here, this picture explains the same condition. You see here, father is stretched out on sofa, handkerchief is there on his face, his legs are on the pillow, and mother, she is reading, she is busy with there. And this one girl is Kezia. Picture explains the same thing. This is the background of drawing room. If you will see this picture, you will come to know how the Kezia was living and how she was in front of mother and father. The little girl always found mother with reading and father stretched down on sofa with snoring sound. Snoring sound? Naskora bolavta hoy e rite. She sat on a stool gravely with sorrow, watched him until he walked and stretched, and asked the time, then looked at her. What's the time now? And then afterwards, he will look at her. What he will say? Don't stare so, Kezia, Kezia, don't stare. The meaning stare. કોઈની સામે આપણે એક સાથે એકી જ નજરે જોઈ રહેતા હોય. That's known as gazing or staring. You look like a little brown owl. Owl is having this staring characteristic. Here, simile is explained. You look, you is equal to Kezia, like a brown owl. This is original aspect, this is comparative aspect, with the common characteristic of staring, so that in this sentence simile is used. What the idea? One day, when she was kept indoors with a cold, the atmosphere was of winter, cold would be there, and grandfather told her that father's birthday was on the next week. Next week, her father's birthday is there. And for that, she suggested she should make him a pin cushion for a surprise gift. Because he was used to keep pillow over there on sofa. For a gift out of a beautiful piece of yellow silk. Wherever you find out yellow silk, from that, gift out, make out, prepare well, beautiful piece of pin cushion, and there will be a surprise gift for your father. What she did, the word is used here, laboriously. Basic word is labor, hard work. With that hard work, laboriously, with hard work, with a double cotton, little girl stitched 3 sides. She made a bag with double cotton. She stitched these 3 sides. And then afterwards, she has to fill this. And at last, she will stitch this one. In this way, a fine cushion will be a surprise gift for father, and that she will prepare. And for that, with double cotton outer facade, she prepared and she stitched it with 3 sides. But she had a question, what to fill it with? What to fill? That was a question. બનાવવું તો છે, શેનેથી બનાવવું? બેગ તો તૈયાર કરી લીધી, but something should be filled with that. That was a question for her. The grandmother was out in the garden and she wandered into mother's bedroom. Here word is used, wandered. Wandered, roamed here and there, moving here and there. That's known as wandered. She wandered into mother's bedroom. The word is used, mother's bedroom. She went inside the mother's bedroom and then afterwards she wandered here and there to look for a scrap. Scrap, why she was in need of scrap? Due to this thing, that she wanted to make pin cushion for a surprise gift. She was in search of something. If she will get something, she will fill it up in that bag what she had prepared, stitching it 3 sides, and 4th side she will stitch later on, and that will become the gift, surprise gift to her father on his birthday. On the bed table, the table which is very near to the bed, on the bed table, she discovered a great many sheets. Great many sheets means so many sheets. Great many sheets means so many sheets of fine, fantastic papers. What she did? She gathered them. Them means so many sheets, paper sheets, what she found there on the bed table. And then tore them into pieces, ફાડી નાખ્યા, કટકા કરી નાખ્યા. And then afterwards stuffed her case. Case એટલે એણે જે 3 સાઈડ બનાવેલી બેગ હતી એની અંદર આ બધી જ વસ્તુ ભરી દીધી. Stuffed her case, then sewed the 4th side. એક વર્ડ અહીંયા વપરાયેલો છે, stuffed. Stuffed means what? You are used to eat stuffed paratha. I don't like plain paratha. I like stuffed paratha. When you are filling inside something in paratha, that paratha will become stuffed paratha. The same thing she did here, and that is known as the word stuffed. When she is, with effort, she is pulling inside the bag, that case. For that purpose, the word is used here, stuff. Then afterwards, what happened after this? Why is it so? Because she tore out some papers into tiny pieces. What type of the papers were, whether it was useful or it was not, We don't know anything else. But she did it, that we know. Then afterwards, what happened? With tearing those many, a great many shits, what happened in the family? That we will come to know later on. Thank you. Thanks a lot for joining us.